To check if we are correct, go to weeknumber.net. There you can find the ISO years and weeks for each date. So you can check your results. Scroll down to week 39 in September. The correct date is 2016, September 26. We get 2016, September 27. Thus, we have an error to fix. Go to your get weekdays function and give it a minute to find the error. You may have spotted the error. It is in the if section, where we subtract the number of days of the weekday instead of the number of days left in the week. Therefore, we need to subtract the weekday from 7. Run the function cell first and test if we are calculating correctly now. We are getting the right result for the 2016 year test. Also, the second test for 2017 is correct. Perfect.